Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchopalama. Tonight on Uzalo, Sbu achieved his big dreams to take Nkunzi out for good. And Nkunzi enjoying the wine with his friend. And they chatting nicely and drink the wine that Sbu poisoning. Hleziphi stumbles upon some value evidence that treat to Perry, Gwanda, and Nonka. She make a video call to show unknowingly that the other box has a real product and another box has cocaine. And it seems like Monthly got a surprise news and interesting news from Hleziphi. While Mondli don't want Hleziphi to work again on Kwanda and Nonka product on product. But I hijack Kapsile interview. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe there for thanks.